Alrighty, back to Harvest Moon, Home Sweet Home. It's gonna be spring, day 9. And yeah, get in here and do our morning routine, see if any cutscenes or anything happens. Nope. Alrighty then. Let's go do our crops and everything. Yep, so let's go ahead and water our crops real quick. Alrighty, let's go ahead and grab some forageables. Lots of different ones today. Nothing's here. Alright. Nope. I guess we'll just talk to people. Let's see what Philip has to say here. Working some lumber and stone, yeah, so. Still asking me for that lumber and stone to build the barn. Are you Jackson? Or Jonathan. I thought it was Jonathan. Jonathan. Timing. Okay. I heard Mom talking about something she needs. I want to help her out, which means asking you for help. Okay. I mean, at least it's something. Daisies and turnips to get some other seeds. Okay. Yeah, I think I can do that. You will expect me to take it again. Okay, cool. Okay, talk to the next person. Good old Doc. Same old story, graveyard. Whatever. We'll just talk to the next one. See what these three had to say. Not a good spot right now. Wood storage, yada yada yada. Same thing as always. Yeah, raw material. Yeah. Get over it. Oh, you got Brendan. Timber supplies. Okay. Same story. Yeah, all the same story. What about you, Andy? Yeah. Until I fix the problem, I can't do anything. You don't look like you have anything new, so. It's one of those, it's like I want to make the stuff, but it's like I don't really need it right now. Especially since I don't have the money for it, $4,000 for that, Jesus. Either way, we'll just move on, talk to everyone in the village. Next. Take the hit. Yeah, same thing. Doesn't like me. You're the only one, Victoria, that's ever nice to me. What do we got? We need... yeah, about the good old hammer. Start collecting our rocks so we can get our animal barn built. We got the wood, we just need rocks. I need some of these seeds. I don't remember every seed. I know daisies. Either way. Come back later if I need to. Let's go talk to the next person. Janae. Really does nothing. Same story until I figure out what's going on with her. So next person, I don't get stuck on her. Yeah. Same old story. I want to take over the the lumber because you guys aren't doing your job. Alright, so talk to the next person here. Flap your lips, busy, same old stuff. Just hateful towards me for no reason. Can't even smash a rock. Okay. So just like the tree, I gotta keep tapping it. Can't hold it. I really wish they made it to where you can hold it. Stones. I need them. Talk to Pete. Oh wait, he's not here. He's moving to this house, I guess. Yep. Alright. Just want to be sure before I go in there and waste the loading screen. What do we got, Pete? Newspaper, nothing. Yeah. Hates me. I don't know why they all so hateful towards me. Whatever. I have all my stone and lumber. Let's go, yeah. We talked to her? I don't remember. Let's break some more stone. Gotta keep tapping, keep forgetting. Alrighty, now, let's go talk to Philip and see if we can get our, whatchamacallit, our barn done. Give him that, hand over the items. Oops, hit no. Oh, that's right. I like how it's giving you fishing tips when trying to build the house. Oh, barn. Oh. I guess it's built instantly? I love how 3 pieces of log and 3 stones repaired the whole thing. What timing and you hit. So, the barn's all done. Surprised that it's all done already yet. The thing was originally built with plenty high-grade stuff, so there wasn't actually much to fix. Swapping a few of the outer boards and voila. Really? So in theory I could have used the barn, just would have been drafty. The basic structure hasn't changed a whole lot of. Gotta hand it to old Andy, huh? It's a testament of his carpentership. Or craftsmanship, I don't know why I say carpentership. I think of carpenters. Yep, I think my little buddies are going to like this barn of yours. Raising animals. Animals purchased at the animal shop are sent either to the barn or your home. Take care of them. Yeah. As the affection level rises, the quality of items they produce will increase, as well as their speed when rating them. You can see what animals by checking in the animal notebook. A given animal sometimes it likes, and its affection will greatly increase. Okay. Simple enough. Gotta applaud your enthusiasm. Yeah, of course I'm eager. want free milk and eggs. Alrighty, I'll give you one of your cows. It's not every day a young go-getter pops up saying they want to start up a farm, so consider it a gift. Cool. Get a free cow. I'm bad at naming cows. Don't let me name them. Of course, let me name them. What should I name them? I have no idea. Stick with Mobil. Yeah, Moody, why not? Yeah, there we go. Moody. I'm bad at naming cows. I'm bad at naming animals in general. What's this? So this is just the barn itself, okay. I guess we're gonna go through, yep, the tutorial. Livestock and large animals kept in the animal barn. Upgrade the animal barn, increase the number of animals it can hold. You don't think you know how to take care of it, huh? Well, then it looks like someone needs a good old-fashioned lecture. You better take notes. Okay. So he's going to lecture me on all this. First off, you'll need this. You won't get anywhere without a pitchfork to clean the barn. Sweet. Free tools. Can't complain. There's no avoiding dirt in barns, so use this to keep everything pristine. Leaving dirt for too long causes animals to get sick. Don't you know? Okay. But, I mean, it's not... Why do they call it dirt? It's less than learning a skill and more of like a habit you just get used to doing. Go on and give it a try already. I don't know why he's calling it dirt. It's poop. Use a pitchfork to clean compost from the animal barn. Compost can also be used as fertilizers on your crops. Cool. Leaving compost in the barn can worsen the animal's health. Be careful. Okay. So the quest to clean. Cool. Just tap the compost, I'm sure. Sure enough. Well, dang. It's color me impressed. That southern drawl. That passion for farming you've got is so heartwarming stuff. Excuse me. Don't forget the dirt you collect can be used as fertilizer for the fields. Be sure to save it instead of throwing it away. I like how they say dirt. It is poop. Next up, it's every animal's favorite thing in the world. Food! Here you go. This is what they eat. Yep. Gonna have to figure out how to get some more of that, because you got me 5. You put their feed in the feed box in your barn. Don't go spilling any now. Animals will eat feed in the feed barns on their own. You can replenish the feed by touching the feeder while holding animals' food in your hand. You can also hand feed animals directly. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. So now I gotta do this. There you go. That's the spirit. The thought of animals going hungry is simply heartbreaking, right? So make sure you put that box is always full. You can store animal feed in the feed dispenser over there. Okay. You can also make animals feed using ingredients, and what you make can be stored directly in the feeder and less little things, huh? Useful little thing, huh? The feeder can be used to make and store animal feed. If it's necessary ingredients, you can use it to make feed. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Feed may be put in or taken out of any time, so only take what you need. Okay. If you run out of animal feed, you can cut grass and put it in the feed and make feed. Grass is a plane to go get. Yeah. Now it's time to try brushing your cows. Oh man, this tutorial. So yeah, cows affection, brushing them every day. Yada yada yada. I'm getting tired of reading all this stuff. Gives me the brush. Touch the animal to touch the brush. Yep. Petting animals increase affection. Touching the animal brush, yeah. Okay. Cool. Simple. Here you go, Moody. Moody. That's what I should say. Phew, I think I've taught just about everything I can. Pretty sure there's more you can teach me, but whatever. Today, I've taught you how to take care of your animals, but you should take care of any type of animal. Here you go, a set of animal rearing tools. Oh, excuse me. So clippers and milkers. The milker gives you milk from cows. The clipper gives you wool from sheep. Yada yada yada. Brush, brush, brush. Such as milk and wool can be harvested from some animals. Yeah, that's pretty obvious. Upgrading tools such as milk will increase the number of items, so I can upgrade them. Cool. Oh, yeah, they gave me the sickle for the grass. Next to the sickle for cutting grass. Grass can be made into animal feed, so be sure to stock up. Yeah, I'm going to need to do that. Grass that you cut can produce it. It's just repeating itself. Never forget it's important to give your animals love and affection every day. Give them enough love and reap the rewards. If you ever decide to try raising some other animals, be sure to stop by my shop. Introduce you to the cutest little critters I've ever saw. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Dogs and cats can be heading to home. Yeah. So you got pets. Eat together every day. Upgrade your house to increase the number of pets you can have. Cool. So just the winds of Anthos. Time for me to be off. Seeing you again. Okay. Now I got my barn. Oh. Bell. Let them out. Yeah, outside to graze. Grazing increases animals' affection level and improve their health. Ring the bell to have your animals stop grazing. Yeah, pretty straightforward, normal stuff. Can't graze during bad weather. Pregnant animals can't go grazing. Pretty straightforward. But at least there's actually like a fence to contain them. Touch a grazing horse to ride it. So you have to put the horse out to ride it? I don't know. We'll figure that out when we get a horse that can ride. Probably shouldn't do that this late at night. But I gotta finish cleaning this place because the tutorial didn't let me. Pitchfork it up. Okay. Cool. You all taking care of Moody. Alrighty then. Well, since it's getting close to the end of the day, let's go plant the products I bought at the store or whatever for the next task. Alrighty, I'm gonna stop it there. I don't want to eat any food and don't want to pass out. Alrighty. Store everything away. Oops. Gotta get used to this. I'm just gonna use my controller. Other than that, I'm gonna call it a day. That'd be spring day 9. I'm gonna be doing spring day 10 tomorrow. Or the next video. Thank you. Oh yeah, the happiness. I almost forgot about the happiness. How much happiness did I get? Not enough. Yeah, it's not gonna be full. Yeah, every day the jar stores my happiness. I don't have any happiness left. No, I'm stealing everyone's, that's why. Either way. Alright. Thank you for watching the video. like and subscribe, follow, the whole 9 yards. I guess it's just subscribe because this is on YouTube. But follow me on Twitch if you ever have an inkling of looking me up on Twitch. But yes, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.